those two, are they coming?
Yeah. Hey guys and ghouls. I know you're thinking that this video, if you didn't read the title of it, this video might be about like I think that's title, but it's not. It's about cool Lego contraptions that I found in that one that was I made. So here's the first cool one, and let me just turn on light so you can see it. This one, and up here, watch, I'll show you. I'm going to put a piece of tissue paper inside of it so you can tell that it moves. So it has that little tissue right there. And then it falls into there. There's like some knobs right here. The first one is 13 spinner. I call it a 13 spinner because it's 13 and it's a spinner. So I like the 13 spinner here.
Are you ready? Go comb your hair. Go.
I don't need to comb my hair. And see, like, so then it.
What's your hair?
It's kind of cool because like it's 13 and it like travels around. So yeah, and if you just set it on the table, 13 and 31. So here's 13.
Are you back?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
That's 13.
Can you brush your hair, please?
Hang on. Then here's 31.
Where's the bun?
Upstairs. So it spins around. Very cool. So I'm kind of getting into like a Lego stuff, but here's a Lego that I made. This is a preview of it. Just a little preview. And it's going to be shown on Lego Warships. Not like worshipping like worship pancakes.
That's for me.
Yeah, his show. Right here. Warship, like a ship in war. So yeah. Bye, I hope you enjoyed this video.
I like to worship God.